Hello everyone, my name is Gençtorun. I'm very pleased to be here with you, and I'm here today to talk to my father about my three rules which are made by me to solve poverty.
Hi, my name is Gençtorun. I think it's very important issue.
Okay, I would like to start with first rules. Exploiting will be remote, I think. As a result of this problem, the number of colonialist countries has been increasing. So, small countries can't develop. In fact, their resources have been reducing day by day. What's your opinion, Father?
Yes, you are right. In my opinion, it's very huge problem for countries which haven't developed yet. In 18th century, industrial revolution started, and some big countries like England want to produce many things to provide their needs, but they hadn't enough raw materials. As a result, they occupy a lot of small countries and they exploit them.
I agree with you. The other day, while I was watching TV, I saw a program which is related to exploiting and colonialism. Some cameramen went to poor countries, and then they interviewed them about their poor life. Cameramen asked them that how they behave you, and then they answered them that we have a lot of raw materials and resources, but they always take them from us forcefully. When they bring them to their country, they make a lot of things which are not known by us.
Yes, I have heard this issue. It's very sad situation. If it isn't prohibited, this problem probably will increase.
Okay, let's continue with second rule. Racism will be prohibited all over the world because it is one of the most important cause of poverty. When humans segregate other people, it causes poverty, as we know. For example, white and black people. I see that in some football matches, some supporters make a poster which is related to racism. I saw that a supporter showed a banana to black footballers.
I agree with you, and I will add some information about this topic. You gave some examples of supporters. They always swear to black footballers and other humans in football and basketball matches. I think it's very bad situation. When people are racist, some people who are denigrated can't live easily like other people who aren't denigrated. Let me explain what I meant. We mentioned colonialism a few minutes ago. When big countries exploit other countries, they can't develop easily. They live in hard conditions in the world, and this situation causes a racism because those big countries want to do lots of things and they always make works to poor people. In a word, those poor people is called slaves, so slavery has become prevalent in the world.
Okay, let's continue last rules. Greed is very common these days in some of the countries. People have to use some things to provide their needs, as we know. But some people use these things very much. They don't think poor people, like African countries. They are in poverty. So the third rule, greed will be remote all of the countries. When humans continue to greed, they will be put in prisons or they will be served with fine. What do you think, Father, about this situation?
Yes, as we know, greed is very common these days. For example, when humans eat some food, they prepare lots of food so they can't eat everything. Some of them remain and they put their waste into the bins. If they share their foods with poor humans, no one is hungry in the world and there aren't any poverty on the earth.
Last days, I researched some information about hunger in poor countries. I found some pictures. They are very slim and they only want to eat something.
I see. In conclusion, if the solutions we mentioned happen, probably we won't see any poverty in the world. Your rules are very important and logical to solve this problem, and those are very necessary.
Okay, thank you, Father, and thank you for listening to us.